it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today, guys, today we're here with Shenseea with dating SZN, but in bracket option. So I'm just gonna say Shenseea option. Alright? So let's jump in the one on the here where Shenseea boss office. Yeah, let's go, mama. So we've seen the skyline. Not sure which city this is. But somewhere in America, but let's go.
Hi,
probably New York, maybe.
Hey, beautiful. You got the gifts I sent you?
I did. I'm actually eating them right now.
You eating roses now?
Roses?
Bumbo. A wrong person sent. Hold on. So she have man send her gift all over then. Because she eat something and she feel like say other man that she talk to. But a rose just arrive. Alright, Shenseea, what y'all go with?
You eating roses now?
Roses? I said I'm treating them right now.
You already know your accent be throwing me off sometimes.
I eat,
I'm
she said, eat that boy.
Meeting, so I'm gonna call you right back. Hold on.
Huh?
Hello? Hi, Charles.
Oh, Shenseea.
Hold on there.
Me and date two people at the same time.
This is no, I don't wanna scrub. What? Shenseea get the green light for a card on that infamous rhythm. Alright.
Shenseea.
Let's see what Shenseea say. Let's go.
Me and date two people at the same time.
Rude.
Just weighing my options. Playing two sides at the same kind. Might end up in some problems, but I not cheat, me I cheat, just a date by law. And if me give it up, me not doing it raw.
I not cheat, she a cheat. Remember what she say, date, she a date, you know. So dating different from sleeping with somebody. But she a say, if she do give it up, she not do it raw. She a protect herself, she a protect her. She a make sure say condom in play. Alright.
Cheat, me I cheat, just a date by law. And if me give it up, me not doing it raw. If you try to stop me from do what I want, me and you know them, I love you, can't give me no talk. Just a
As an independent girl, we have our own things, have our own money. You can't give her no talk, brother. Like, yeah, act your pay grade, brother. Like, act your pay grade, brother.
me I cheat, just a date by law. And if me give it up, me not doing it raw. If you try to stop me from do what I want, me and you know them, I love you, can't give me no talk. Just a be myself and I play my part. If you fall in love, then that's your fault. Me know say it might sound crazy, but till my pick you have to share me. You are know me man have to explain, man I no obligation. Journey might be slow, but me for sure say I the one. So
That hurt. That hurt me. I don't mean she attacked to. That hurt me. I don't mean she attacked to. Yo, listen what you said to the youth, dog. Look what the youth face.
crazy, but till my pick you have to share me. You are know me man have to explain, man I no obligation.
Straight away, me no hungry again. Me no want no food. Cause in a field mind, you know, I'm woman that, you know, in a Shenseea mind that make him know, listen, no. No obligation not there, so we're not in a relationship, brother. We in our situationship, we are date. No that, brother. Me no hungry again, brother. Drink a glass of water, me good. Me got my yard. Just,
Share me. You are know me man have to explain, man I no obligation. Journey might be slow, but me for sure say I the one. So me have couple of honey in a rotation.
I actually know girl who do them thing, yeah. They be talking to a few guys at the same time, dating, yeah. But she a try figure out who are the real one, like who are the one she want to settle down with. And sometimes she might pick the wrong one same way and end up bottom of the barrel same way.
Journey might be slow, but me for sure say I the one.
Yeah.
So me have couple of honey in a rotation. Harmonies them off a mates. Can you cut the check? If you the best candidate, then you get select. But
Bumbleclot. The girl never gonna love that one, yeah. The man them not gonna like it. The girl never gonna love it.
I'm actually eating them right now.
Big up all the woman them love that one, yeah.
Roses? I
Meeting.
said I'll be treating them right now.
You already know your accent be throwing me off sometimes.
I'm actually gonna go into a meeting, so I'm gonna call you right back. Hold on.
Huh?
Meeting, you deaf? Oh,
Hi, Charles.
Oh, Shenseea. Ah, yeah. Me and date two people at the same time. Just weighing my options. Playing two sides at the same kind. Might end up in some problems, but I not cheat, me I cheat, just a date by law. And if me give it up, me not doing it raw. If you try to stop me from do what I want, me and you know them love, you can't give me no talk. Just I be myself and I play my part. If you fall in love, then that's your fault. Me know say it might sound crazy, but till my pick you have to share me, share me. You are know me man, man have to explain, man have no obligation. Journey might be slow, but me for sure say I the one. So me have couple of honey in a rotation. Harmonies them have a mate. Can you cut the check? If you the best candidate, then you get elect. But if you want go, baby, you can go. I mean, would you blame you because me never claim you? Have to be.
meet a sweetie. Oh. Oh, shots fired, binds. You get binds. Right in her short ribs, binds. She said she never claim your brother, say if you want, go on, go on. Binds in your short ribs again. Binds in your neck. Binds in your tress. Binds in your tress.
Can you cut the check? If you the best candidate, then you get elect. But if you want go, baby, you can go. I mean, would you blame you because me never claim you? Have two people I ring my phone line, and I ask when we a go spend time. Me I play two sides at the same time. Me just a mingle, baby, got me outside. Seeing two people at the same time. Just weighing my options. Playing two sides at the same kind. Might end up in some problems, but I not cheat, me I cheat, just a date by law. And if me give it up, me not doing it raw. If you try to stop me from do what I want, me and you know them love, you can't give me no talk. Me just a be myself and I play my part. If you fall in love, then that's your fault. When no I say it might sound crazy, but till my pick you have to share me, share me. This is just a warm up, you either compete or give it all up. Me no promiscuous.
This is just the warm up. You either compete with it, get with the program, or cut, brother, cut.
This is just a warm up. You either compete or give it all up. Me no promiscuous, just not get stuck. This a girl your head smart, she not get caught up too quick.
She not fuck it, she just not get stuck. She not promiscuous, she just not stick along for the fate. Something where she not sure about.
Promiscuous, just not get stuck. This a girl your head smart, she not get caught up too quick. Take my time, not rush. Not take my go a quote hope so you don't judge. Now boy, your life can't pass up. So till the day my mind made up, I'll date two people at the same time. I for weigh my options. Playing both sides at the same time. Might end up in some problems, but I not cheat, me I cheat, just a date by law. And if me give it up, me not doing it raw. If you try to stop me from do what I want, me and you know them love, you can't give me no talk. Just I be myself and I play my part. If you fall in love, then that's your fault. When no I say it might sound crazy, but till my
Bumbo clot. You see? You say you might end up in some problems, but you're not caring a mama. See problem and no problem on your doorstep binds.
me and you know them love, you can't give me no talk. Just I be myself and I play my part. If you fall in love, then that's your fault. When no I say it might sound crazy, but till
Shenseea can act your fuck. Shenseea can act your fuck.
if me give it up, me not doing it wrong. If you try to stop me from do what I want, me and you know them love, you can't give me no talk. Just I be myself and I play my part. If you fall in love, then that's your fault. When no I say it might sound crazy, but till my pick you have to share me, share me.
This how I'm not like. This how I'm not like. This how I'm not like. Bumbo clot. Don't pay it in a bad man. Walk off, you know. Wow! Shenseea. Hold on, more for that video. Oh, there. Production team behind the one. They come for the same. Yo. Hear me I say, man. Yeah, me I say dog. Ladies, me no want to no go follow Shenseea. No, remember say Shenseea rich, Shenseea have our money. Shenseea can do this and get away with it. See me? Somehow no now go so lucky. Hear Shenseea saying na the song, there might be problems. Yes, some problems are greater than some. That was Shenseea problem. Shenseea problem just play out at the end right there so. The problem what you sing about is them two finding out about each other and doing nothing about it. Because there's nothing them can do. Somehow no girl, some man nah go take that. Some man nah go take that. Especially when some man feel like them are investing money now. I'm don't tell the man married this. Woman is not an investment. If you are build with a woman, build with a woman. Don't feel say she gonna be the sole investor. You go invest in her and expect to get back. You're not gonna get back, brother. You see me? Yo, Shenseea fans, big up on yourself. Ladies, please don't try this at home. Wanna not try this out in the yard, you know? Wanna not try it? Wanna not try it? Talk about the video though. The video crazy. The video sick. Alright. Production team behind this one. Big up on yourself. Shenseea, big up yourself. Mama, you have it. You can act, you can sing, you can DJ, you have the look, you have the charisma, you have the personality. Yo, big up yourself, mama. Big up your fucking self. That's all me I gonna say. You see me? But yeah, that one a shot. Me like that one. I like that one. But some shot fire in other one, man. Bumbo cloud, binds catch all about from everywhere, man. Eh? Jesus Christ. No, it's not a really option she have. And at the end, where the two youth them push each other. No, don't allow that, brother. Don't allow that. Flip the kind around. That is what the woman them do. Ladies, if your man out there cheat on you and you find out who the side woman is or the next woman is, don't fight the girl. Cause half of the time the girl don't know what go on. Half of the time the other girl don't know what go on. So don't go out there and boy you go fight the girl. Don't it don't make no sense. Youngsters do the same thing. Don't go out there go try and vibe with the next man over woman, brother. You see me? Yeah. But yeah, this time I'm gonna leave the one still. Shenseea, big up yourself, woman. I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you want some more Shenseea reaction, click on any one of them two videos right now and get it. Alright? I'll catch you in the next one, man. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, Rick Connect.